How to mute and unmute someone in WhatsApp. To mute and unmute someone on WhatsApp, you can follow this simple step for both individual chats or group chats. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once inside the WhatsApp app, simply go to the chat of the person you want to mute. Tap on the chats option available at the bottom tab and navigate to the chat section. Now here all you have to do is long press on the chat you want to mute, and then you'll get to see some options available on your screen. Once done so, you will get to see mute option available there. Simply tap on it. You will be given 3 options: 8 hours, 1 week, always. Choose the option you prefer. Now in order to unmute, follow the same process. Long press on the chat and you'll get to see unmute. Tap on it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.